Hello guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing, and it's going to be a mixture of stuff that I bought, stuff that I've gotten for free, and then 4 of the items I believe are from live auctions that Depoppers / resellers do on Instagram Live, and then like you bid and stuff like that. So I am very excited to show y'all everything that I've gotten. So let's start opening up some boxes. Okay, so the first thing I've gotten is this. And I've already opened it because I thought it needed to be refrigerated because it's plant-based creamer, but I'll just put it back in the box so I can show you. So the brand is Honest to Goodness plant-based creamer, and I got this for free to like test out. So I got Himalayan salt caramel creamer. That's what it looks like. Okay. And then the other 2 are both, I really don't know how to say that, but vanilla bean creamer. One's regular and one's non-sweetened. So I'm gonna do this. This was from a live auction, and this is from the Depop shop Go Soda, and she's Shop Go Soda on Instagram. Get a little goodie bag. And it has some stickers in it. So it has Hello Kitty, these cow stickers, I forgot what they're called, and then her logo sticker, and then her little business card. And then the thing that I got was this very cute pink cropped tank top, and it has these like buttons on them, and I'm very excited to wear this when we go to Gulf Shores during the summertime. The next item is in here, and it's from their Depop shop. It's called Kite Vintage. Okay, so the first thing that's in here is a little goodie bag as well. The thing that's in there is this little cute little sticker, if you can see it. And I got a sticker with her name on it, and this cute little Jack keychain, and then a lollipop, and then her business card as well. And then what I actually got was this little cute Scooby-Doo dead stock keychain. I thought he was really cute. Okay, the next item here, I have no idea what this is. The only reason I don't know what it is because I got it for free, since I do all these like surveys and stuff, if you're wondering how I got it for free. And if you want to get free stuff yourself, let me know and I can do like a video on all the different websites that I use. That would be a fun video. Wilson's trying to eat the lollipop. I got, I'm not sure what this, it's a cream cashmere I don't know. It's whatever this is. I'm not sure what this is, but it's like a cream, and it came from a website that I use, Topshop Circle. So I guess I got one of their things, so that's cool. The next thing that I got is this, and this is from a website / app called Influencer. I think a lot of people know about it. Into a campaign for the brand Claritins, and it's like cleansers and stuff. So I got a lotion toner hydration thing. As you can see me in the bottle, it's weird. And then a mousse, a gentle renewing cleansing mousse, which is cool. Never heard of this brand. I've never tried anything from them, so this will be cool to try out. This is from a mini boutique called Malison and Mallory. It's like this cute little baby doll dress. Oh, that is so soft. So it's yellow and it has this like floral pattern. It is so freaking cute. So it has like the V-neck and then it goes down and it flows out. Very cute. Wilson's chewing on bubble wrap. Can you stop? This package, and it's from an Etsy shop that just opened up her own candle shop, and she is the girl that played Baby Jenny from One Tree Hill, which I thought was very cool because I'm a very big One Tree Hill fan. So, okay, so we got something in here. So, I got a little drawing of Baby Jenny from when she played Baby Jenny on One Tree Hill. So we got a little goodie bag, and it has some seashells from the beach that's in One Tree Hill. So which is really cute. And then you get like a little thank you card. And then this little wrapped up like card thing. A little candle care figure. So this is what the candle looks like. And this one is Baby Snuggles, and they are natural soy wax candles. Ooh, that smells so good. This one is Baby Giggles. Looks like that. Ooh, that smells good too. Next thing is, this is from a live auction, and I'm so excited for this because I wanted it so bad when she showed it. And the Depop seller's name is Art and Thrift Mama. She's on Depop and Instagram. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So I got this color block cream and black purse. Has this like straps, looks like that, and it opens up like that. And then we got one of her stickers. Very cool. And then her business card. So cool. So it has like where you could put your flip phone, but obviously nobody has a flip phone. So you could probably just put like your lipstick or chapstick right there. And then it has a little zipper right there. You can't really tell. Right there, and then like the whole pocket. So that's very cool. I'm excited. I also have more coming from her too because I got more stuff on her live auction this past Friday. Next thing is from their Depop / and Instagram is Lillypad Vintage, I believe. I know it's Lillypad, but I think it has vintage in it. I'll leave all their shops down below. So what I got was this really cool jean jacket. Has this like suede, I think, fake leather, whatever, on the collar. And then it's just like a light wash jean jacket. And what I'm thinking about doing is like bleach tie-dyeing this. Maybe? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm really excited. I'm obsessed with jean jackets. I have like 4 now. So yeah, very cool. Next thing I got is I bought stuff from the Taylor Swift store, or Taylor Swift shop, back in like December, and it just came in. So I got this little card saying that the Long Pond studio sessions are now on Disney Plus. And then it also comes with these like star confetti things inside. And then I got the Evermore phone case because I have the Folklore phone case on right here. So I'm probably gonna switch this out. And then I got Full of Stars Taylor Swift, and it's a candle. And it's so freaking cute. Oh, it smells good too. I'm excited for that as well. And then the last thing that I got is this, and it's a ring, which I thought was very cute. It looks like that. I got it so I could put it on my thumb since it's adjustable. So it looks like that on my thumb. And so yeah. So that is everything that I got. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me unbox all this stuff. And me yelling at Mr. Wilson because he wants to just chew up everything. But yeah. If y'all liked all the stuff that I got, if you didn't, I still like it. So give it a like, subscribe, comment, follow me, whatever. And I will see y'all next time. Bye guys. The aftermath of opening up stuff.